to use gratitude to manifest happiness in your life. Out of all of the hundreds of thousands of people that I've spoken with in my entire life, we all have one thing in common. And that one thing is that each of us truly wants to be happy. Each of us truly wants to live a life with happiness and fulfillment. If you are interested in joining that group of people that just wants to be happy, then stick around with me here today, because I am giving you a gold nugget of information that will help you live every single day more happily than you have ever imagined. And it's so simple.
Guild coaching, more success, less stress.
What really makes you happy? Really, think about it. What is one thing, if all of a sudden somebody waved a magic wand and it showed up in your life, poof, what would make you happy? Go down to the comment section and type it in. Let me know what it is. I really do want to know. There are several things that I would love to have in my life that would really make me happy. There are several things that I used to want in my life to make me happy, and guess what? They're part of my life now. Do you know how I made that happen? Pretty simple. Do you want to know how? I'm about to tell you. But before I'll tell you, I'm going to tell you a little story about several different people. I'm not actually speaking about one person. I have given this instruction to so many people one-on-one with my clients. And each of them says, okay, yep, I'm going to go do this. I'm going to do it. Sounds good. Sounds good. I even give them proof in my own life of how it's worked. And all of them say, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. The next time we talk, I'll ask, have you been doing it? How's it going? No, it's just too hard. I can't take that time. I can't do this. I can't do that. Okay, are you making excuses about why you're not happy? Because all of the power is in your hands. All of the power is in your ability to be happy. Now, finally, many of those people jumped on board and started doing it, and they are happier. They have created things that they wanted, created new businesses and organizations, and manifested money for cars and homes, and had children, and all sorts of things that they wanted. If you want to be in that group, get your pen and paper, because I'm about to tell you how. You need to have a daily practice of gratitude. You can utilize gratitude to manifest the happiness that you want in your life. And the reason is that when you are feeling something, that is an energy that is there and real and present in your life at that moment. And energy attracts like energy. So if you are feeling gratitude for these points in your life, then what you're doing is you're attracting more things like that. And every time you attract something else, it's bigger. And so if you start with a small vision and you're just grateful that you have a roof over your head, you can then turn that into a mansion, vacation villa, because your manifestation just gets bigger and bigger and bigger as your gratitude grows. Now, on this YouTube channel, I have two guided gratitude videos. One is meant to be used in the morning or anytime during the day, and the other one is bedtime gratitude. The way that you can use gratitude to manifest happiness is by being intentional about it and consistent. The consistency is key. Back to those clients who weren't consistent with it. How's that working for you? Well, I haven't really taken time. Let's look at it this way. Those gratitude recordings that I've done that I just told you about, the links to them are in this video description, so you don't even have to go and look for the playlist. I've already made it simple for you. They are right here. So those gratitude sessions are each about 10 minutes long. And the reason that they're 10 minutes is that's about 1% of your day. So go down to the comments now, and I want you to type, I can invest 1% to make the other 99% better. I can invest 1% to make the other 99% better. Now, I want you to own that statement. Breathe it in. Breathe that in. You can invest 1% to make the other 99 better. Every day for at least 10 minutes a day, practice gratitude. You can do it with the guided gratitude sessions that we've provided for you through Guild Coaching's YouTube channel, or here's how you do it on your own. You get your journal, you get a pen, and you just start making little bullet points, and you just write little things that you're grateful for. I'll do it right now, just out of my head. I'm grateful for my technology that is allowing me to bring this to you. I'm grateful for our children. I'm grateful for our dogs. I'm grateful for a really, really fun experience yesterday with one of my daughters. I'm grateful for some precious moments that I had with her that I can never relive again, but I'll try to duplicate as many times as possible. I'm grateful that I have a loving spouse who is generous and kind. I'm grateful for our vacations that we get to take way more often than most people get to take vacations. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful that you're here and that I'm able to serve in this way. I'm grateful for my mentors. I'm grateful for my mastermind group. I'm grateful for my accountability group. I didn't script any of this. That's just my flow. That is what you're trying to do with your journal. Every day, set a timer so you don't have to look up at the clock and see how long you've been doing it. Every single day, set a timer and practice gratitude for 10 minutes. If it hurts your hands, shake them out for a second. And then while you're shaking them out, say, I'm so grateful that I have hands so that I can write. I'm so grateful that I'm literate. I'm so grateful that I'm able to spell out words on a piece of paper. Say that while you're shaking out your hands and getting your hand ready to complete the rest of the 10 minutes. Now, if this is of interest to you, you're going to want to hit that little bell and the subscribe button so that I can let you know next week when we drop our next video. And that video is going to be very special. I'm actually going to guide you through a gratitude session. It'll be kind of like the ones that we already have recorded, but it will also be different because I am going to use your gratitude points. I want you to go down into the comment section and I want you to enter your points of gratitude. I'm also going to ask my clients and I'm going to ask the people who are in our mastermind group on Facebook. If you would like to join our mastermind group on Facebook, please look in the video description because I have put the URL that will lead you directly there in the video description. Now, if this has been of use to you at all, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe, hit that little bell. The bell makes sure that you get notifications the next time that we drop a video that will help you live a life with more happiness and fulfillment and lower stress. See you soon.